In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Global Liquidity Indicator in TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for this setup, so just pick the chart you usually work with. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might simply say Indicators or show an icon that looks like a graph with a small sparkline. Go ahead and click that. This opens the main Indicators window, which is where you can find all the built-in tools, community scripts, and your saved indicators. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find exactly what you want instead of scrolling through long lists. Click into that search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Now, type Global Liquidity carefully into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will start filtering results in real time. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right indicator appears. When you see the Global Liquidity Indicator show up in the results list, move your cursor over it and click once. As soon as you do, it will be added directly onto your chart, usually in a separate pane below your price action. With the indicator now visible on your chart, the next important step is to fine-tune it so it's actually useful for your style of analysis. To do that, hover your mouse over the name of the Global Liquidity Indicator on your chart. You'll see a small settings icon, usually shaped like a gear. Click on that to open the settings panel. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like colors, line thickness, and sometimes specific inputs or smoothing options, depending on how the indicator is built. Take a moment to set the visuals so they're easy for you to read, especially if you're working with a dark or light chart background. Clear visuals help you avoid confusion when you have multiple indicators running at once. Finally, if you haven't already signed up for TradingView Pro and you're interested in using these kinds of tools with more flexibility and fewer limits, make sure to use the link in my video description to sign up. Once you're done, your Global Liquidity Indicator is fully added, customized, and ready to use in your TradingView Pro workspace.